My dad just got an accordion. He's been wanting it.
Dude,
for the...
accordions are sweet. I don't care. Listen, I don't care what anybody says. Accordions are sweet.
In Serbia, that's like one of the main instruments. They're like,
Yeah.
there's
Is it?
not a party without an accordion. Every time there's a party, the more they like, the better you are, the more money they put like on the top.
That's awesome.
That's how they tip them.
What's going on, guys? I'm back and I'm on my way to the photo shoot that we're going to be taking at Phipps Conservatory, or as the guy who's taking the pictures, his name is Zoran, he calls it Phipps Thingy. So we're going to Phipps Thingy. We're gonna go take some pictures. This is my first photo shoot. I've never had any pictures professionally taken of any of the cars that I've ever owned, because none of them were ever worthy of a camera. And even now, and I might be being a little too hard on myself, I still don't think my car's worthy enough to be taking professional photos. I know these pictures are going to turn out awesome because he's done pictures for other local cars around the Pittsburgh area and they turned out phenomenal. And so I kind of have high expectations for him, but that's good though, because he holds a good reputation, right? So yeah, we'll see how this goes, and I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, y'all, so we're walking up, we're meeting the photographer right now. I left the car back there, and we're gonna drive up to the spot to where we're gonna be taking pictures. Yeah, it's way too hot for this beanie right now. The sun is out, it's like 65, 70 degrees. I thought it was supposed to be cold today. I'm like out of breath. That's how out of shape I am, you know? I'm like a 40-year-old man in a 20-year-old body. All right, we're good. Wait, you coming this way? Or no?
You have a spot in mind?
I don't.
Oh, so yeah, that's why I was gonna go up here.
Up there?
Yeah.
What up, guys?
What's up, yo?
This is the man.
Nice hoodie, man. I like the color.
I like your color
It's
too.
very
Yeah.
nice.
Great minds think alike, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so do you want me to just pull up then and then I'd follow you, or?
Yeah, because I'm gonna, yeah. So just follow me.
Okay, so then I'll be right back.
All right,
I had to walk all the way up there to find out where he was, just so that I could move my car from where it's at. I hope he doesn't get mad that I still have to wipe it down just a little bit, but we'll see what he says. I'm back and I just wiped the car down. As I said earlier, it was really dirty and I was really hoping that he wouldn't get upset at me for wiping it down. But here we are. He is my first professional photographer to take pictures of this car. Yeah, so it's super dirty, but it is what it is.
So let's say you have a car and there's just that one person just standing there. So instead of you moving, you just kind of zoom in a little bit, cuts him out. And it's like, it's a little cheat.
Well, there you have it, guys. Tips and tricks from Zoran himself.
No, it's Zoran.
Zoran?
Yeah. The V is from ASAP Mob. How they have the V, and I couldn't get the Z-O-R-A-N for Instagram. So I was like, oh, I'll listen to ASAP Mob. Like, this was like when it first came out, and I was like really big into ASAP Rocky. So I just put the E, the A to a V.
Okay, wait, so this is a really embarrassing question, but is that your real name?
Yeah.
Really?
Zoran.
Zoran.
Yeah,
That's
Zoran.
dude, that is a sweet name.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it's, guess what's my brother's name?
What?
Goran.
No way.
Then my mom is Zora.
They got really creative there.
Yeah, well, it's
Wait, who's the eldest?
I am.
Okay, yeah, so it was all based off of
It's
you.
a really big thing, like in Serbia.
Yeah.
when there's like two brothers, it's usually Zoran. Like it's a very big combo. All right, so I'm gonna let you pull out, and we're gonna go this way.
This way?
Yeah. So we can't.
Am I gonna follow you, or am I just pulling out?
Yeah, you're gonna follow.
Okay. All right, let's close this hood. And we're gonna drive a little bit. So I don't know where we're going. I don't know where he's taking me, but obviously I'm taking you guys with me. So I stand corrected, and I feel really, really embarrassed, but his name is actually Zoran and not Zorvin. And I'm really embarrassed, but it's all good. You were doing some sketchy stuff, man. I saw like progressively your face was getting redder and redder.
Because her window doesn't open all the way.
Oh, so it's cutting you up.
Kind of, yeah. So I'm like, that's why I have to keep going back and forth, just because like it was so hard. It's like a workout, man.
So like, is it common that people like put their lights on to like ignore you or something? You guys get that a lot?
Okay. Oh, I don't know, but look at this.
That looks sick.
Especially with the lights.
Yeah.
That's why. See how it's like blurry?
Mm-hmm.
The faster you go, that's why I was like, you actually did really well.
Okay.
Because I had this one other guy, dude. He kept on trying to like stunt. I'm like, bro.
Yeah, no.
We're getting rollers.
Yeah.
So you always you were like in the diagonal every time, and it worked perfect.
Well, I was trying to. I was watching
like
your hand signals.
Yeah. You were good, man.
Yeah, this was definitely
One of the better ones.
Yeah.
That's good.
for sure.
Well, anytime you guys need some, just let me know.
When you were in
When
the
I-
tunnel?
When I do the pool.
Huh?
When I do a pull.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
It like goes up.
I didn't
Oh,
realize.
It's front wheel drive.
Yeah, it is a front wheel.
Oh.
Unfortunately. Who knows? Maybe I have plans to make it rear wheel one day.
Hey, dude, the possibilities are endless. So I noticed how like all this is like, it's like a perfect fit almost.
Except for I cannot, and everyone in the comments, once I show them, they're gonna be like, "What is that gap?" I cannot get this to sit right, and it's bugging me. Like I've tried like 3 different brands of adhesive
Wait,
tape. But I mean, hey, you look at it at certain angles, it doesn't look that bad.
It's all about them angles.
It's all about them angles. Alright guys, that basically wraps up this video here. So I just wanted to share that footage with you guys so that you had an idea of basically like the gist of what happens during a professional photo shoot of a car, or just of a photo shoot in general. Zoran did a phenomenal job on the car, phenomenal job on taking the pictures, on editing. This guy is a legit magician. I mean, if you look at this car in person, yeah, it's pretty clean, but like if you look at the car in his pictures, it just looks like it should be a cover of like a magazine or something like that. We were even fortunate enough that we got a big feature from ESR Wheels. Shout out ESR Wheels. They did feature my car on the page and gave credit to both me and Zoran for the pictures. So he did a great job. Make sure you guys give him a follow. It's at ZORVN. And then follow me also as well. It's at Basicsmt on Instagram. I will show you guys some of the pictures right now. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And most importantly, hit that notification button so that you guys get updates when I post new videos. I have a lot of content that I want to share with you guys, but I'm just saving it and I'm trying to time it right and get on a certain schedule. Bear with me as I continue to work on this channel, this YouTube channel, and I have some good stuff for you guys. This winter is gonna be great. I'm gonna be tearing stuff apart. I'm gonna be installing things. I'm gonna be doing some mods. I'm gonna be doing some custom stuff too. Things that you guys are really gonna be interested in. I really think you guys are gonna like it. I've been getting a lot of good feedback on what I've been posting and what I've been doing, and I'm hoping, I'm planning to continue to do this with you guys. So I'm gonna share this journey with you as you guys continue to watch me. Just as a reminder, if you haven't checked out my last video, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me what mods I've had done to my car, or I have done to my car. Make sure you check out my last video. That'll basically give you what I've done to the car so far. I know it's a little lengthy of a video, but just skip through it. I kind of put the chapters in the video so that you guys don't have to watch everything. But yeah, watch that, and then if you have questions, come back to me, and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, so take it easy. See you guys on the next one, and peace.